So I'm logging in. So this is the user dashboard. You can see as a user saying that what is the course percentage that you've overall completed, and if you want, if you're in between a course, it'll also show you saying that you need to continue it, how many modules are pending, what is your latest quiz score like, and if there are any pending quizzes that you have to attend, and all of it together. And not just that, as a user, you also get badges, which is the interesting part. As you can see, there are 3 badges. So coming to the courses. So here, so as you can see, it exactly depicts what the admin has set in the back end. So there are, in the cabin training, there are 5 modules and there are lessons. And as you can see, the user has actually completed the cabin training module, and they have the human factors is in progress. But then for the demo purpose, let me open and show you how the lesson looks like. So to the so if a person like me who doesn't like to read pretty much, they can always open the podcast button and then just
Here's something that'll
just
blow your
listen to
mind.
it.
Airlines
Because
spend
not
more
everybody
time
wants
training
to
their
learn,
crew on
right?
those
Read
first
the
30
entire
seconds
thing.
of passenger
So they can listen to
interaction
the podcast
than they do on
and
most
not just
emergencies.
that. So if they wanted to be more interactive, they can always go down and then listen to it paragraph by paragraph. The moment you click on it, you will be able to listen to the paragraph
In the
one
world of
after the other.
aviation, first
And again, to make it more and more interactive, we have also added flashcards in between. So all of this is just done by AI in the back end. All you have to do is just give a PDF and it'll be able to generate so many of it automatically. And quiz is mandatory right after every course, because you need to check if you have learned it properly or not. So we have given 2 attempts for every question, and again the settings can be changed by admin if required. So I have not read it, so I'm just going to answer it. And yes, so this is my score, and as you can see, I can also see the analysis of what the scores are like, and what analysis of the questions. So now moving on. So for every course, the user can, as I mentioned before, the user will only be able to complete it or after they finish the role play, which is the last round. Once they finish the role play, they'll get the certificate. So let's just check on how the role play works like.
Alright, this is ridiculous. My seat's sticky, the entertainment screen's frozen on some safety video, and
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience caused. It wasn't on purpose. I'm sure I'll make it better for you next time.
are apologising for, so I can address the situation properly. I need to know what went wrong with my seat,
I'm
the entertainment,
so
the
sorry.
coffee.
I'm
I
so
understand.
sorry again. So it is just that my colleague was having a really long day and then she couldn't deal with it, and hence by mistake, she had spilled the laptop, and I'm sorry that she would barely apologize for it, and I apologize on her behalf.
Thank you for the explanation. I understand that accidents happen and that your colleague was having a difficult day. However, the spilled water has potentially damaged my laptop, which I need for a very important meeting in New York. What can you do to assist me with this? Is there a cleaning kit available? Or perhaps a protective cover I could use?
I will definitely ask my colleague to pass on you a cleaning kit, and I apologize for the inconvenience caused. We could do some reimbursement for it once we land in the destination. I'm sorry that we won't be able to do anything about the laptop during the flight.
I appreciate you offering a cleaning kit. However, I'm still concerned about the other issues. The sticky seat and frozen entertainment screen are also impacting my ability to work and prepare for my meeting. What can be done about those? And what about the coffee I requested?
Thank you. So as you can see, I've completed the training here, and let me look at my feedback. Since this is my first time training, not bad. I've scored like 85%, and as you can see, there is also the AI has given me an improvement on what can I do, in the terms of accuracy, in terms of handling, adaptability, and all of it. And as I mentioned before, only once the user completes this, they'll be able to get the certificate. And moving on, and also this can be tried multiple times by the user. So here is the achievement page where the user can get the certificate, and not just downloading, we also have a feature where the user can post it on LinkedIn if required. So this is the overall journey. Other than this, the user can also check the notifications and settings of the application if required. So I hope you have got a clear idea of how Geeta works, and this is going to be a game changer in the learning industry. Okay, thank you.